Hi, I've got Home Designer Pro 2016 open, and I just drew a simple house, set at 9 feet. The garage door is at 7 feet by 16 feet wide. First thing I'm gonna do is go to the Options tab of the garage door and make sure that it's recessed. With a masonry wall, it's always recessed and attached to the framing, not to the masonry. Okay, we'll go to the casing tab and make the casing like brick mold, 1 7/8 recessed. Okay. The next thing, if you wanted an arch on here, the only way you can do it in Pro is to arch the door. So I'm going to open the dialog box of the door. We'll go to the Arch tab, and you said a 2-inch arch, I think, as I recall. So we'll just put a broken arch and make the house 2 inches. That's what that does. Now, you said there's no lintel tab. Well, there certainly is. It's right here. We'll go over to the lintel, and we'll add an exterior lintel, and we'll set it to a soldier course height of 8 inches. And now, just doing that, uh-oh, I got the wrong effect. Well, here in this preview, I got what I wanted. There's the lintel, and I'm getting some other artifacts here on the sides. Let me unrecess it and see if that helps. Okay, that fixed it up. Now we got brick mold, and a lintel. Now we want that to be a brick lintel, so we'll open the dialog box of the door, go to the Materials tab, and we want to go to oh, I left out a step. And go over here to lintel. I haven't added a molding profile, so I'm going to click on the library and go to I just need something that's kind of rectangular, so I'm going to use this. It's rectangular shaped, and I want it 8 inches tall. That's what I've got. Extend, I don't need an extension, but what that does is it adds a molding over here, which I can add a material to. I'm going to go to a library materials, and we want brick and masonry. Let's see, where is that? Masonry and stone. Okay, brick, and we want natural brick and something that corresponds with this, but in a soldier course pattern. I think that's the one there. Let's go with this one. Now, I didn't really painting across there like I wanted, so I'm going to use the materials adjustment tool and click on just that material, and I'm going to change the pattern here. I want black lines because when you print in black and white, the white lines won't print. Go to the pattern tab and we'll rotate it 90 degrees, and we'll rotate the texture 90 degrees. I'm going to go back to the general thing over here. Okay, I want that to fix to strip. Where's strip? There's strip. And I want the spacing between the strips every 3 inches, like the width of a brick. That's more like what I wanted to see. And this is the way it looks in a render camera. Let's change the camera type to a vector, which you usually print in black and white. Oops, I made a mistake. So you can see the lines are running the wrong way. So I'm going to use this and go to the pattern and take that 90-degree shift out of it. I needed 90 degrees for the texture, but not for the vector. And this material here, I'm going to give it white lines also, because white lines don't print, black lines will print when you're printing in black and white. Doesn't affect the render view. Let's switch back to render view. Yeah. So that's how I would do that. And there's no other way to do it in Pro except this way. And if it doesn't suit your purpose, I'm sorry, but otherwise you'll have to make something custom in SketchUp and then import it and then stick it on the top of the door. But this is a pretty easy and quick, useful way to do this. Thank you.